Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have another limbed recipe to add to our limbed playlist. Today, I'll be making cherry limbers. Let's get into it. All right, so jumping right into it, and please excuse the awkward angle of my camera. I just want to make sure that you can see my blender clearly. So in my blender, I added 3 cups of lukewarm water and half a cup of sugar. It's important for the water to be kind of warmish. That way, when you go to blend it, the sugar will dissolve and you don't have like sugar crystals in your limbed. Now I'm going to use 2 packets of cherry Koolaid, but you can use any like drink mix packet of your choice. Just make sure that it doesn't have any added sugar, okay? Koolaid does not have any sugar, if you didn't know. But so this is not going to add any extra sweetness. It's just going to give it a really good flavor. Now I will have all of the ingredients in the description box below, so if you want to double or triple this recipe, you may do so. Now I am adding half a can of canned cherries. So this is like cherry filling. And I promise that the limbes will not taste like cherry filling. It's just going to give it a really good flavor, because when I make limbes, I like them to be like semi-concentrated and rich. I do not like a watery limbe. Now, some people like to use like canned maraschino cherries. You can do that if you want. Try it out. And then I'm going to add the juice of half of a lime. This is going to help balance all that sweetness. I like to add just like a little bit of tartness. You can also use maybe like a splash of pineapple juice or lemon juice as well. Now we're going to go ahead and blend this on high until it is nice and well combined. All right, now that it's well combined, I'm going to go ahead and pour it in my cups. Now, if you've seen any of my other limbed recipes, you know that I like to use the little 3-ounce cups because I like to have like a little mini limbed. That's just my preference. But for cherry limbes, I am using the 8-ounce cups. I believe these are 6 or 8-ounce cups. But yeah, since these are like my favorite, I want to have like a nice big limbed. I do regret not making more. I essentially just made like half a batch of limbed. I guess this is good if you live by yourself and you don't want to make too many at a time. I mean, they stay in the freezer, so it's not like they're going to go bad. And if you live by yourself and you make a whole bunch, I guess you can pass them out to your neighbors. That'll be really nice. But again, I'll have all of the ingredients in the description box below. This specific recipe made about 7 limbes. And just like that, my limbes are done. And of course, the best way to enjoy them is to flip them upside down. So if you've enjoyed today's video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you try this recipe. Give this video a thumbs up and be sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time.